Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nubia Flip and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find either the Google section or passwords and accounts. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it, and as you can see we already have some Google accounts added, so let me start with maybe removing this one. So all you have to do in order to remove the account is to tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. So now let's add the account. Just tap on this option here and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, perfect, let's tap on next. Here you will have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. We can tap on it to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. If you want to, I can remind you how to remove it. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and basically this is it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.